In the northern hills of Israel, every city oh so bright, safe the home of Kabbalah, where the mystics find their light. A holy place of ancient lore, where spirits come to play. With art and music in the air, we'll dance the night away. Safe, oh safe, where the old and new entwine. City of the holy, where the stars forever shine. The klezmer tunes are playing and the joy within our hearts. Safe, oh safe, where the magic never parts. In the alleyways of safety, artists paint their dreams with colors bold and stories told of ancient flowing streams. The klezmer bands are tuning up their melodies so sweet. We'll join the dance and clap our hands on every cobbled street. Safe, oh safe, where the old and new entwine. City of the holy, where the stars forever shine. With klezmer tunes are playing and the joy within our hearts. Safe, oh safe, where the magic never parts. Underneath the moonlit sky, the mystics chant their prayers. In the city of the sacred, we forget all of our cares. The past and present blend as one in Safe's warm embrace. We'll sing the songs of ages past in His holy place.